Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to work on Guided Class Practice 114A. Okay. So it says for your name to draw a 3-inch line segment for your name. Let's go over to the inches. And it's 3 inches there. And does anyone remember from yesterday what a 3-inch line segment is in centimeters? Let's check. It's almost 8 centimeters. So let's write our name on the 8 centimeter line. Our date today is May 14th, 2020. And our day of the week today is Thursday. Our tally marks today are going to be the number 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now it says, write the number 103 on the place value chart. So we know we have 100. We don't have any 10s. And we have 3 1s. Then it asks us to circle the digit that tells the number of 10s. We know the 10s are to the left of the 1s, directly to the left. And we have 0 1s. Number 2. Remember, boys and girls, you can stop this video and rewind it, or just go back. That just shows how old I am. But you can go back and you can listen to it again if you want to, or just follow along if I'm going fast enough for you. So for number 2, it says, the children in room 2 had 5 frogs. They gave 1 frog to the children in room 3. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show what happened. Now here, boys and girls, they're being tricky. Remember I explained to you guys that sometimes in math word problems, they'll throw in numbers that don't matter. Remember? So if we look at this, it says the children in room 2. You see the room 2 here. That doesn't matter. That number 2 does not matter at all. What they're trying to do is confuse you. They want to know how strong your number sense is. And boys and girls, you all have very strong, good number sense. We worked on this a lot, and you're all doing really well. Then it says they had 5 frogs. Now that you could pay attention to. They gave 1 frog, that you can pay attention to the children in room 3. That you don't have to pay attention to, because they're asking, draw a picture and write a number sentence to show what happened. So what happened? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frogs. It doesn't matter where they are, if they were in room 2 or out in the field. That's not the point. Don't worry about certain numbers. Your number sense will kick in with that. And then they gave 1 frog to a different room. So is this a some and some more question, or some and some went away? They gave 1 frog to the other children, so they gave 1 away. So this is a some and some less. So it is 5 frogs. That's what we started with. And they gave 1 or subtracted 1 frog. Boys and girls, how many frogs does room 2 now have? They have 4 frogs. All right. Now for number 3, we've got a lot of tally marks here. We can count them together. It says count the tally marks, and we know we count by 5s, so let's count. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47. 47 tally marks. Way to go, you guys. Then it says down here for number 4, to finish this number pattern, if you need your hundreds chart, to do this, okay, you're starting at 4, and then you're going 14, 24. If you look at your hundreds chart, you're going down the 4s. So let's do that one together without the hundreds chart. You can have it with you, but I have to work on this sheet. So 4, 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94. What would be the next number, boys and girls? I'm going to leave that blank. See if you can do that one for me. Now we'll move on to number 5. Write the answers. Fill in the correct comparison of greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay. 23 is greater than, less than, or equal to 17. Well, we know if we have 23 cookies, we've got more than 17 cookies. So it's greater than, the greater than sign, or where the munching Mike wants to eat the bigger picture, or the more cookies. So 16 and 38. So we know that this is 16 is less than 38. Now, now we have to add for this. So 3 plus 9. Now it's 12. And 6 plus 6 is also 12. Boys and girls, did you know, or did you predict that these would be 12, given that they're both different, really different numbers? That shows number sense. If you can do that, that shows number sense. So here we are again with a couple of questions. This one is a double question, so immediately I look at it like 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 6 is 16. Okay, look for the doubles, boys and girls, in your numbers and in your questions. Look for the doubles. Okay, now we've got 4 plus 1 plus 6. Well, in my head, I know that 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 5 is our doubles plus 1, remember? So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. And that's it for today. If you're struggling with these down here, let me know and I can Zoom with you guys and I can do more of these questions with you until you're comfortable doing them, okay? I have no problem with that and it'd be fun. Please work on the guided class practice 114B. And then do the class fact practice. Keep up on your facts. 114A and B, please. You don't have to post them on Fresh Grade, but let me know if you're struggling with any of them and I'll help you out, okay? Have a good day, guys.